Hi Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new. And in today's video, I'll be installing this 13 by 6 30-inch deep wave wig from Morefacewig. More details for this hair can be found down in the description box below. So if you want to see how I achieved this install, keep on watching.
You know I hate sleeping alone. You just said that you would soon be home. But baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it on top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track, and you kept it like it's all right. I'm not feeling it, let's go. I think it's time to go, let's go. Did you forget where my lips? Oh my body, you don't want my body. I can make them with nobody, you can make me find somebody. What about my body, what about my body? You rather go and party somewhere I'll be money. You know I hate sleeping alone, but you said that you would soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it on top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track, and you acting like it's all alright. I'm not feeling it, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. Let me show you how I'm not feeling it. I love to complain when mine's reflection. Keep straight and you'll see the sun right there, reflection in one direction. Like it can't see, it just seems that you don't care. Body, body, you like me just somebody. What about my body? You would rather go and party somewhere I'll be known. I hate sleeping alone, but you said that you were soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it on top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track, and you acting like it's all exciting already. Let's go. It's time to go, let's go. We don't want no more, let's go. No more in it, I'm not feeling it. I'm taking back the things I got from you. And that includes my sweet little Nikki too. Let's go, little kitty. Ain't no want you anymore. Oh. Let's go, little kitty. Ain't no want you anymore. Diamonds on my neck, since 16 I'm coming down. My elixir, how you going like this? You was just a hot place. You could call Tyrone, you ain't got some live bread. You want my body, I'm in the house, all alone. You rather go and party. You want my body, you want my body. I can make up my body, you gon' make me constant. Let's go. It's time to go, let's go. No more in it, I'm not feeling. Let's go. It's time to go, let's go. No more in it, I'm not feeling.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen us? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yeah. Tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Don't know your name, excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Don't know your name, excuse me, miss. Ooh. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I think I'll say yeah. Don't know your name, excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, you're so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, oh yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh, I would love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, make her understand. Y'all was made to dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she wants to, man. Woo.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking sing low. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a city road. My city road. Money, ball rolling. Big car keys in the trash, big rolling. Treat me tight. Rooftop clouds, with a handful of girls. We're all so foreign. Rain so poison, rainbows falling. Light skin chick, first light from falling. Whole lot of bands, first light from falling. Full of penetration, secret from falling. They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew.
And this is the final look of the install. It came out super tea, and this hair is so freaking long. I'm only 5 feet tall, and this 30-inch is giving like 32. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think of this hair. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date for my next video. Bye.